In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple pipelines in Freshsales. Multiple pipelines are useful when your business handles clearly different sales processes and you want to track each one separately. For example, a real estate business might use one pipeline for residential sales, another for commercial sales, and another for rentals. Before creating anything, take a moment to decide whether you truly need multiple pipelines. A good best practice is to create separate pipelines only when the sales stages are meaningfully different, not just because different salespeople are involved. First, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside, go to the admin settings area, then open Deals and Pipelines. From there, click on Pipelines to view the pipelines that already exist in the account. You may see several examples already listed. The default pipeline is the main pipeline used by the system unless another one is selected as default. A general sales pipeline is usually meant for a standard sales flow. A SaaS sales pipeline is better suited for software-style selling, where stages may revolve around demos, trials, and subscriptions. A new sales funnel might represent a newly designed process being tested by the team. A real estate pipeline is tailored for property transactions, and an e-commerce sales pipeline can be used for online product-related deal cycles. The key idea is that each pipeline should match a distinct process. To create a new one, click Create Pipeline. In this example, we're setting up a residential property sales pipeline. Give the pipeline that exact name. This kind of pipeline helps real estate teams track a deal from the first inquiry all the way through to closing. Now configure the stages. Add a new lead stage and set it to 10% probability. This stage is for fresh opportunities that have just entered the system. Next, add a qualified stage at 25%. This means the lead has been reviewed and appears to be a real opportunity. Then add property viewing at 40%, which reflects that the buyer is actively engaging with available properties. After that, add proposal at 60%. This stage is useful when terms, pricing, or property details are being formally presented. Then add negotiation at 75%, where buyer and seller are actively discussing terms. Add documentation at 90%, which is typically where contracts, legal paperwork, and final compliance steps are being completed. Won and lost are default stages in Freshsales, so those are already included to help you track closed outcomes clearly. Once everything looks right, click Save. After saving, return to Admin Settings, open Pipelines again, and set the default pipeline if needed. The default pipeline is the one Freshsales will use automatically for new deals unless another is chosen. You can also delete a pipeline, but be careful. Before deleting one, review the deals inside it. When a pipeline is deleted, its deals are moved to the first stage of the admin default pipeline. If needed, bulk update those deals into another pipeline first. Always remember, one pipeline should represent one distinct sales process. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.